We missed our station. Okay guys, so right now I have keeping my stuff already and we are going to wait for everyone at gym on third floor. The gym is so nice, trust me. Wow. This is Singapore ad, Thai ad. Okay.
You can get this product right now for the cost of $5.99. It's the best deal ever. If you buy 10 of these, you could get one for free.
And so we're here. We'll go here, all the way up to the bridge here. Then we'll go back like this.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh wait,
Does this place actually have whiteboard?
There's a board in there.
Oh really?
Well, have been seen. Seldom. Seldom.
Yeah.
Yes. The path they walk through into this way.
Yeah, I'll ask Universal Studios to hire me.
Okay.
I can go there every day.
Just make one more creepy sound. Really?
Make it like the best one. Wait, I'm tired.
Sweet. Okay guys, so now we have arrived to Treetop Walk and we didn't find any monkeys, we didn't find any whiteboards. I was kind of like disappointed. Okay. Wow. Never look back. How do you feel, Tan?
Tired, incredibly tired, really tired.
ทางหมดแล้วฉันก็ถ่าย
Oh yeah, great.
Okay, that's so tired. John, do you feel tired?
What?
Do you feel tired?
Hell no.
Okay, guys, so right now we have to take some breaks. People have been refilling the water for drinks, and some people just sit to take a rest and drinking some water. Okay guys, so now we just go back to the Venus Drive and then we're just going to take some rest and then we just go start prepare to go to the next place.
Karate chop Shane's head.
Sure.
Okay guys, so right now we will get inside the restaurant by the bay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so right now I got a ticket, so let's go inside. On this ticket we can go to Flower Dome and Cloud Forest. So So first of all, we need to go to a cloud forest first, and then after that we need to go up and go to flower dome. Oh my god! This is actually the... How do you feel right now, Tan Tan?
Humid. It feels so good. It's like air conditioned.
Oh wow! Tan Tan,
Hey, it's quartz. It's purple
Really?
quartz.
is this real?
Yeah, it is real. Right now we are going to get out of the cloud forest and go into the next area. Flower Dome. Hello. Thank you.
But there's a huge cactus like over there which I love so much. It's like my favorite.
Oh yeah, this is the Mars cactus. It's a new kind of plant. See, it's basically a cactus that's dying and it's like 90% dead. And the only thing alive left is the green part. You see that? That is the Mars cactus. Just called the Mars flower. See, because like the whole tree is like about to die. And what is this called? The Mars grass. The Mars bush. It's the same. It's the same. See, basically the ending of the Martian, they die.
Okay. Okay, awesome. Okay. Okay, guys, so right now we are got out from Garden and the Bay, so me and Tan have separated. So we need to cross that bridge to go somewhere. I don't know where Tian wants to go, so I need to follow Tian. So right now Tian have stopped. Okay guys, so now Tian finally stopped his path and going to set the tripod. Okay, after we finish taking photos, we need to run at very super high speed to go back to that garden by the bay over there. Wow, that's so far, man. Okay guys, so right now my camera has all run out of battery and now we have arrived to Garden by the Bay. Wow. Oh. Stop buddy. Oh, finally finished. Right, follow the glowing pig. The pig is gone.
I think it's like I can't see the color.
Why?
Wow, this is cool.
Yeah. Here. Okay. Okay. The glowing pig. Let's go. Stop.
Thiên, stop, Thiên.
Life is easy, but someone makes it harder. Who? You guys. You guys just making that sprague. So we just which one were you? So that's fine. We just missed from raw shot to Butchis, you know. Because
It's bogus. Here with like 200 people. Hey guys, today we're going to Buddhist. The team say Buddhist. The team say Buddhist. Team say Buddhist. Okay, guys, we go to Buddhist.
Let's go back to the hotel.
What's that?